Hi Boban. Today's lesson I am going to teach system development life cycle. Our second lesson of ICT grade 11. Let's go. What is a system? System is a combination of components that work together to fulfill a task, otherwise a certain purpose. Main basic two component of system. System is division of two component, that is manual system and computer based information system, otherwise CBIS. And we have a system to process, that is the three main basic components: input, process, output. Example for input, process and output. Input devices are input devices are mouse, keyboard, that is uh, due to that is due to RAM, and that is output by computer. For example, a letter. We write in a letter through input device, and that is due to RAM and uh, output by the computer. Manual system. Manual system, you can see the fire alarm picture. The fire alarm picture, the we have to pull down with our hands, and when we are pulled down with our hands, that is confirm there is a fire. That is a manual system. Computer based information system, otherwise CBIS. You can see also that this picture, they are all work automatically. There is a office in work automatically by the computers. We only have to do to tell to tell the computers what we want to do. Then a computers doing what we want. Manual system and computer based information system comparison. Manual system is work from hands, time is high, wrong probability is high, no backups. But CBIS, computer based information system, computer based information system is work from computers, time is less, wrong probability is less, retrieving backups. Uh, Therefore, we can use a CBIS system. That is very advantage. That is very useful to us. Then, what is the information system? That is the main thing of our lesson. What is the information system? Information system is which system converts data to information. Uh, let's go. Six components of system development life cycle. System development life cycle has six components. That there are requirements of a solution, uh, planning of the solution, evaluation solution, testing and debugging, solution and solution deployment, implementation, and analysis and design. There are the six requirements: planning, evaluation, testing, deployment, implementation. There are the six of components system development life cycle. Identification of requirements. We have two methods to identify requirements. There are several methods to find requirements. There are observation, questionnaires, interviews, and document sample collection. Prototyping, designing the solution. Activities related to the design process are identification of software and software architecture, user interface, identification of main hardware systems and its components, identification of dependency of each subsystems, deciding of the required hardware and software to run the system, designing infrastructure for software, databases, and user interfaces. Last one, planning of test methods to test a system. There are several methods to test a system: unit testing, integration testing, system testing, acceptance testing. Normally, we have done by first acceptance testing and next going to the system testing, next integration testing, and last one unit testing. But both are doing, both are doing. But it is not a issue. But we normally doing this by first acceptance testing and deployment of a system. Uh, Different deployment approach to deploy a system. They are direct deployment, parallel deployment, pilot deployment, phase deployment. Direct deployment. What is the direct deployment? If the new system proves successful, the old system can be banned. Now you can also see this picture. Uh, this picture you can see Sync, SYNC. Syncs made online server, local server. That is a direct deployment. And local server, online server made local app, online app. Local app done by the local server, online app done by the online server. That is a direct deployment. Parallel deployment. New system proves successfully. The old system can be terminated and the new system continues. You can also see the example for that parallel deployment. Pilot deployment. Newly deployment systems in a selected area. Now you can see there are three pilots and they are doing deployment systems. They are doing a selected area, and after that is going to world around the world. But first we have to deploy pilot deployment in selected area. Now these pilots are doing a selected area. That's pilot deployment. Phase deployment. The old system is completely replaced by new system. Less effort, less secure, more effort, more secure. Multi-tenant cells to traditional air gap. So, in my opinion, you understand the example. Life cycle models. Waterfall model, iterative incremental model, prototyping model, spiral model. There are other life cycle models. Waterfall model. Waterfall model has six components. There are system requirements, analysis, design, coding, testing, operation, and maintenance. They are equal to deployment life cycle. But there is a catch. System requirements are finished after going to analysis. Analysis finished after can go to the design. Design design is finished after going to coding, testing, and operation and maintenance. But we can't mix all of that. Let's go. Iterative incremental model. Iterative incremental model is now you also know first lesson of our grade 11. Uh, it's a repetition that is happen repeatedly, but there is not happen repeatedly. There is happen circally, but uh, restart can't happen next. Now you can see the example business modeling. Business modeling we want to requirements, analysis and design, implementation, test, deployment. Prototyping model is the same idea. Lesson sequencing. After finish that, we can go to writing. After finish that, we can go to media. But we can't go lesson sequencing scene repeat. We can go to the repeatedly only repetitions. Iterative mode we can go only iterative mode. Otherwise repetition mode. Spiral model. You can see the picture of spiral model. Like hypnotized. A magician hypnotized someone. You can see also a magician hypnotize someone. You can see the spiral model. But there is not finished. A spiral model is not finished. Uh, but uh, you can think of example hypnotized. So the end of my lesson. In my opinion, I think you you uh, you all useful my lesson. If my lesson is useful, please subscribe and like and share. So so nice to meet you. So let's meet another day. Bye.